Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share your 3 add-on kits available for February that coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have a cardstock add-on, and we have a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on. These are perfect to have your kits go even further, give you more options, and just a whole lot of fun. So let's take a look at the cardstock first, and then we'll move on to the pattern paper. So for the cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So this is going to give you lots of options for backgrounds or matting your photos. If you have digital die cutters or manual die cutters, you can die cut lots of titles and items with those. And you can see here how well they coordinate with each other. So first up, for the Cartabella Let's Celebrate collection, we have a sheet of evergreen and 2 sheets of denim. For the Cupid and Company from Echo Park, you're going to receive 1 sheet of cherry and 2 sheets of blush. And then the Hello of Today from Simple Stories is 1 sheet of vanilla and 2 sheets of mustard. And the Sweet Talk from Simple Stories is 1 sheet of bubbles and 2 sheets of bubble gum. So this is a great way to see how well they coordinate with the collections, but also what colors that you're working with this month and how you might be able to pull collections together. So now let's take a look at the patterned paper. The pattern paper is always a lot of fun, and you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the collections. So starting with Let's Celebrate from Echo Park, we have this one with the balloons, and the back is Celebrate on a slight diagonal on that dark navy blue. This paper is called Bunches of Balloons. And then we have Cupcakes. We have different candles from 1, 2, and 3. And the back is this light blue with white polka dots. This one's called Cupcake Daydream. For Cupid and Company, the 2 papers that we have is this one that has all the flower cards. It's just so sweet, so cute. And the back are these red lips on a black. This one is a 4x4 cut apart, so lots of options to tuck in and embellish or use as titles. Fussy cut, Love as a Beautiful Ride, You and Me, All of Me loves all of you. So many sweet sayings. And then this diagonal plaid. This one, of course, is called 4x4 journaling cards. From Hello Today and Simple Stories, this was our year-round collection. So we have this paper that has the stripes and all the different colors, just gorgeous. And then this paper is July. So we have the month and the calendar, and then lots of little journaling places and little title cards. Plant dreams, pull weeds, grow a happy life. Love that. Love the documented card for the week. And then this paper is for May. Those beautiful florals. And the back, again, more journaling spots and filler cards, the calendar and the month card in the 4x6. Then for our Simple Stories Sweet Talk, I have this one called I Adore You, which is a beautiful flower cluster on pink. The back are hearts, and then there's this blue stitched diagonal grid. So hopefully that shows up. Super cute. And then this one, I love these papers, these 2x2 elements. They're so much fun, so many things you can do with them. You know, cut them all together in a strip, make a border, cut them apart, and make a grid design. And there's so many cute icons in here. The back is a red polka dot on the blue aqua. So that is your pattern paper add-on. Whoops. All together here. So you can have lots of fun adding that to your flavors of the month. Our next add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is for the Let's Celebrate from Echo Park. This is more of the ephemera die cut pieces. Lots of options here. So these will vary just a little bit among your kits and your add-ons here, but that's a good sample. Lots and lots of choices. Okay. And then for the Cupid and Company, or actually any of the collections, we have an alphabet. This is from Pretty Little Studio, and it's the block alphabet with the uppercase in white. Love those. So again, those will coordinate with everything, but it coordinates really well with the gray in that Cupid and Company. From Hello Today and Simple Stories, you're going to get one of the foam word phrases. So this is the one that I got. Again, these will vary. There's two different ones in the package, so you'll get this one or the other one. And then for Simple Stories, the Valentine's collection, Sweet Talk, you're going to get the chipboard embellishments. So super, super cute. Love the little record here with love songs. We have a calendar, the little sweethearts, and that cute little sloth again that we saw earlier, the X's and O's. So that is a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at all three of the add-ons available to go with your flavors of the month. Also check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates with your flavors of the month, so it's an awesome add-on as well. Check out all the other individual items available in the store, and Rochelle can ship those right along with your kits. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog, and thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.